like I said, we're going to be at least level 2 data scientists using an LLM, right? Ideally, we're going to be acting more like architects. And then 3 is that we're going to be code editors, not code writers. So we're going to do virtually zero code on our own, okay? And this is what we're going to do for the lab. We're going to do a professional level development environment. We're going to create our own data sets. We're going to use some synthetic data for this. And I'm using that more as kind of like a warm-up for using ChatGPT, right? You can certainly have your own data. But, you know, just as a warm-up, we're going to create our own synthetic data sets. We're going to have code to solve for 1 independent variable, code for 2 independent variables, and then we're going to provide metrics for all the models. Okay? All right, so now we're getting ready to leave the slides. Do you guys have a preference on which version of Jupyter Notebooks to use? Drop it in the chat. That way, you know, we can set it up. But we're about to start doing some code, so drop the version of Jupyter Notebooks that you're recommending that we use for the problems, okay? I'll give you guys a minute to think about that. But let me know your preferred version of notebooks that we're going to use in the next section, because we're going to jump into code now, so let me know. Woo, we've been going for 2 hours, guys. Good job. I know a couple of you have been with me since the beginning, so thanks so much. Good job, guys. Okay, so Patrick is recommending Jupyter Notebooks within VS Code. What else, guys? Who else wants to give their preferred version of Jupyter Notebooks? Okay, so Isa says Jupyter Notebook comes with Anaconda. Okay, so whatever is the latest stable in Anaconda. Okay, anybody else? We're going to code next, guys. So we need a notebook. Let me know what you guys want to use. Anybody else want to give their favorite Jupyter Notebook? Okay, Melly also votes for the one that comes with Anaconda. Anybody else?